my name's Lajeet. I'm the head of IT here at Skill.
What does Skill mean?
Oh, I can't answer that question. If you had to ask the support team, they were just in the trenches like 10 plus hours a day, just working on tickets, trying to just knock out as many as possible before more came in. They were handling very simple tasks, but when you have hundreds and hundreds of tickets that come in daily, it adds up a lot, even if it only takes like 5 minutes or so. And I'll be honest, I was just like, oh great, it's another VC-backed startup. Turns out, oh wow, these guys actually did something that I really wanted for a long time, and their product looks like it works. We were at like 15% auto ticket resolution and their workflows, but it left a lot to be desired. A lot of people claim that their AI can do everything, that it can handle X amount of tickets, but then when you actually put it into production systems and you move away from just like a small POC or a demo, that's when you start to see the cracks in the issues. Within console, it's as simple as us just creating a playbook in natural language and just writing down, hey, if a user requests access to this, build out this form, capture this data, send it via API. So it eliminates that front-end barrier, which will then allow IT to move a lot faster. We were so confident about the POC that we actually were like, all right, let's full send it, and then just launch the app on a random Monday in terms of like our IT help channel. The amount of little like heart emojis and little dancing emojis that we got when we were saying we're getting rid of, and now we're trending at 57% ticket resolution. We're like, wow, this is AI working the way that we actually hope that AI works. As we've seen through the numbers, that part has worked out really well. We've added a couple hundred folks in the last 6 months alone, but we've only increased IT headcount by 1. It's like a little self-fulfilling like prophecy. Because we had console, you get more free time, which means you get to improve console by building out more playbooks. I think it's been one of the, honestly, on the much better end of like our vendor relationships. Usually we had a bug issue, within a couple of hours it was pretty much fixed. I think the most important thing that console has allowed us to do would probably be able to give people the ability to grow. Because you're not going to really grow in your position if you're literally just spending 9 to 5 working on mundane tickets. Nobody wants to be in support for like their whole career. The console is a 6th man of the year for using sports terms. In terms of any other like tools, probably the biggest impact that we've had as an AI tool at this company. We would go down fighting for console at this point.